What if I told you that you could create a professional interactive product demo in less time than it takes to edit a YouTube short? Today we're looking at Arcade Software, one of the fastest growing AI tools for creating interactive product demos in 2026. And honestly, this tool surprised me more than I expected. Arcade is basically a platform that lets you record your product, website, or app and instantly turn it into an interactive experience that people can actually click through instead of just watching like a normal video. Think of it like combining screen recording, onboarding tutorials, and AI editing into one tool. The main audience for this software is SaaS companies, startups, marketers, sales teams, and even creators who want to explain products in a more engaging way. One of the biggest things people love about Arcade is how easy it is to use. You can literally record your workflow, let the AI clean things up, add voiceovers, customize steps, and publish a polished demo without needing design skills or coding knowledge. It also supports branching paths, which means viewers can choose different journeys inside the demo depending on what they want to see, and that's something many users online specifically praised because it makes the experience feel less boring and more interactive. Another feature people seem to like is the AI-powered editing and voice generation because it saves a huge amount of time compared to traditional demo creation tools. The platform also lets you embed demos directly into websites, emails, onboarding pages, and even social media campaigns, which makes it useful for marketing and customer education. Now, when it comes to user reviews, the overall reaction is honestly pretty positive. On sites like G2 and Product Hunt, most users say the interface is clean, modern, and beginner-friendly, and many mentioned that they were able to create demos extremely quickly compared to older tools. Some companies even use it for sales presentations and onboarding tutorials because the demos look polished without requiring a huge production process. But to keep this review honest, there are some downsides too. A few users mentioned that advanced customization options are still a little limited compared to more enterprise-focused competitors, and others feel that the pricing can get expensive once you move beyond the free or basic plans, especially for larger teams. I also noticed that while the AI features are impressive, they still work best when you already have a good product flow prepared, so it's not completely magic automation. Overall though, Arcade feels like one of the strongest interactive demo tools available right now if your goal is speed, simplicity, and creating professional product walkthroughs without wasting hours editing videos. I think it's especially good for startups, SaaS creators, and marketers who want something modern and easy to learn. If you want my honest opinion, Arcade is definitely worth trying in 2026, especially because the free version lets you test the platform before paying anything. So, if you've been searching for a better way to showcase your product online, this might be one of the smartest AI tools to check out this year. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next AI website you want me to review.